warahmatullah. Welcome back again to Practical Numerical Methods for Scientists and Engineering. Today we have our last module in Module 4. So, roots of system of nonlinear equation. Sorry, maybe I'm a little bit tired because almost this is I continue to work recording and preparing for 12 hours, so that's why you maybe find my voice is tired, but this part is very interesting. So this is regarding Excel. So how to use Excel? So now, okay, suppose that we have both equations. We have equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2, and we want to use them to find the let's pointer, okay, okay. So now we start. We can use the solver, but with solver we'll use some more step in solver. Okay, so here we have the initial guess 1.5 and 3.5. okay, and we have equation 1 and we have equation 2. So it's based on this is equation 1 and equation 2. okay, so here in the solver we this will be our objectives. It will be, we will choose one of them. Okay, we will choose one of them. So it will be, for example, equation 1. We'll choose one of them. So it will be equation 1. We want equation 1 to be 0. Okay, but we still have equation 2. Okay, no problem. I will make it later. So equation 1 will be 0 by changing the variables b2 and b3, these variables. Okay, but we still have this one. So what we should do, we should add the constraint equation. So here when you put add constraint equation, okay, we have add a constraint which cell. So the cell will be b6. So it will be this equation. So we add this equation as constraint and make this constraint equal 0. So he will play with this one while keeping this equation as 0 and then solve. So by this we can find the solution of the roots. I think that's all about Excel. Please try it and do some practicing on it, and let me know if you found any problems or any difficulties using this function. Thank you and see you in other modules. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.